Good morning, it's great to stay up late. Good morning to you. All right, here we are, second to last day of math class. Whew, we can do it. All right, so today is about making change or giving the correct change. Y'all are gonna head into the summertime. You're gonna go to CVS or Walgreens. Your mom's gonna give you some cash, and your dad's gonna give you some cash, and then you're gonna get some change, all right? So we need to know that we are getting the proper amount back. The best way to make change, okay, or to count change, is you count up from what the item costs to what the person gave them, okay? So we have two things to do together. We purchased a pair of sneakers and a robot toy, okay? So connected to the pair of sneakers and the robot toy is a price tag. So that is our starting amount. And then next to that is a picture of a $20 bill and a picture of a $5 bill, okay? So we count up numerically from the price to the dollar amount given, okay? We have four penny, nickel, quarter dollar, penny, dime, quarter dollar. Okay, so remember the different amounts of money. Okay, the penny equals 0.01. The nickel equals 0.05. The dime equals 0.1. The quarter equals 0.25. And the dollar equals 1. All right. Ooh, I was standing in front of that the whole time. Way to go, Miss Caitlin. Hey, do you guys like my farmer's tan? Do I look really good? Okay, summer's coming. We're going to try and fix that. All right, penny is 0.01, nickel is 0.05, dime is 0.1, quarter is 0.25, and dollar is 1 whole. 1 whole. Okay, so we're kind of in a grammar curse, kind of not. If you're paying attention to how they are writing the name of the money, you'll know if you're going to get one or more than one. All right, but we're also going to look at the numbers going up. We start at the name tag, $16.19. And we go from 16.19 to 16.20. Okay, so that means we are adding 1 penny. 1 penny, and then from 16.20, we go to 16.25, which means we've added 0.05, 1 nickel, and then we go to 17, all right? How do you get from 0.25 to 00? We use some of these. We use 3/4, right? 0.25 plus 0.75, 0, carry the 1, 3 plus 7 equals, oh yeah, you see that? Okay. And going from 17 all the way to 20, 20 minus 17 is 3, so we have $3, okay? So if you wanted to go backwards, 20 minus 3 is 17, minus 75 equals 1625, minus 5 is 1620, minus 1 is 1619, okay? So that's going backwards, but when you give someone their change, you count forwards. Add 0.01, then you add 0.05, then you add 0.75, then you add 3. Okay, up and up and up. We're going to do it again. We're buying a toy robot for $3.51. $3.51. The child has given a $5 bill. What is his change? Okay, so from 0.51 to 0.55, that's adding 4 pennies. All right. And now we need to get to 3.75. That means you need to add 2 dimes. And then all the way to 4, which means you need 1/4. And then all the way to 5, which means you need to add $1. Okay? 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 0.25 is 3.75. 3.75 minus 0.2 is 3.55. And 3.55 minus 0.04 is 3.51. All right, that's how you do change. Backwards, forwards, a la da di 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 da di da di da di da. Okay? So, now on to a scale drawing. This scale drawing says 1 inch equals 500 miles, okay? I did my scale drawing in feet, so this one is 1 foot equals 500 miles. Here we go, answering the questions. 2A, B, and C. 2A wants to know the distance between point A and point B, okay? Point A and point B. Point A and point B. 1, 2. All right, so if 1, whatever you're using, equals 500 miles, I need to do 2 times 500, and that equals 1,000 miles. Okay, so the answer between point A and point B is 1,000 miles. All right? Now they want to know from B to C. All right, I take my ruler and you take your ruler too. B to C is 1. 1 equals 500 miles, okay? And last one, C to D. I take my ruler. Yours it's in inches, but mine is in feet. So that's 1, 2, 3 feet. 1 equals 500 miles, so I go 3 times 500 equals 1,500 miles. 1,500 miles. Awesome. Now, section 3, I'm going to say some decimals and you need to write them down correctly, okay? The lesson about counting change day, you really have to know the values of the different kinds of money. You have to know how much a penny is worth. You have to know how much a nickel is worth, a dime, a quarter, and a dollar, according to decimals, not cents, okay? We're now working in decimals because we're doing change. There are 100 cents to each dollar, and we know that hundredths only go 2 numbers after the decimal point. Okay, so this is really, the penny is worth 1 of those hundredths, the nickel is worth 5 of those hundredths, the dime is worth 10 hundredths, the quarter is worth 25 hundredths, and the dollar is 1 whole, okay? You have to really know the values of the money. In here, not in the book, in here, okay? The more that you know that, they can't trick you, all right? The truth will set you free, all right? The father of lies likes to trick us. He likes to steal from us. But if we know the truth, he can't take what is ours. All right, a little Bible lesson in there for you. Okay. And when I was talking about the grammar, Chris, you notice how they said penny, we only had one. Nickel, one. But pennies, more than one. Okay, you can also store that one away too. Here we go, listening to some decimals, all right? I'm going to say decimals. You have to write it in decimal form, the proper amount of numbers after the decimal point, according to what I say. Okay, here we go. 3A, 3/10. 3/10. How do you write 3/10 as a decimal? 3B, 3/100. 3/100. Last time, 3/100. 3C, 3/1000. 3/1000. 3/1000. 3D, 21/1000. 21/1000. Last time, 21/1000. And 3E, 21/100. 21/100. Last time, 21/100. Okay, that is it for your lesson 137 video, making change, scale drawings, and writing decimals that you hear. All right, tomorrow, the last mathematical lesson of the 4th grade. You can do it. You are awesome. Adios, amigos.